Assalamu alaikum. On this auspicious occasion of Pakistan's 77th Independence Day, we're honored to have the All Pakistan Nambardar Association with us. Let's hear their message of unity and patriotism.
Thank you for having us. As Nambardars, we're the bridge between the government and the people. Today we celebrate the dream of our founding fathers, who envisioned a separate homeland for Muslims. From the Lahore Resolution to the creation of Pakistan, our ancestors sacrificed everything for this land. We must honor their legacy by promoting unity, tolerance, and patriotism.
That's a beautiful message. How do you plan to promote unity among the people?
We'll organize events, rallies, and seminars across Pakistan, highlighting the importance of national cohesion. We'll also recognize and reward individuals who have contributed to the country's progress.
We're proud to serve our communities. On this Independence Day, we pledge to work tirelessly for the betterment of our nation.
Thank you, Raja Azmat Ali and the All Pakistan Nambardar Association for your inspiring message. Let's work together to build a stronger, more united Pakistan.
Long live Pakistan! May our nation prosper and flourish forever. The program ends with the national anthem and the fireworks display.